Academy. Today we are going to learn the continue from quadratic equation. In my previous video, we have learned all the many methods of solving quadratic equation, factorization method, and general formula method, sum and product of quadratic equation, and so on. So this is another episode of what quadratic equation is, what problems lead to quadratic equation. Before I continue, please subscribe to my channel and share all my videos to your friends that is preparing for YK clinical jam, 100 level, 200 level, 300 level, 400 level. They will learn, I believe they will learn very well. And if you are a graduate that all these things have to make it, have to be what during revision in case you go for interview. Who knows, you will see this type of question here. Don't fail yourself. Please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. So today's topic is what problem leading to quadratic equation. And there are some things we're supposed to know in generally in our word problem, whether it is simultaneous equation, linear equation, and so on. These are the things you're supposed to know. And the first thing I'm going to talk about today is more than mean addition. More than mean addition. Please take note of that. That's the first thing I will teach you today. More than mean addition. Then less than mean subtraction. Less than mean subtraction. Anyway, you hear the word less than mean subtraction. And time. You see time. The time you used to know. But in mathematics, time mean addition. Please, addition. Like 2 years time. In addition, 2 years time. That means if I'm 20 years old now, and I say in 2 years time, how old am I? You add 2 to my age, which is 22 years. If I'm 10 years old and I say in 2 years time, how old am I going to be? You say it's what? 12 years old. This is addition of 2. So now, ago meaning previously, back, 2 years back. That is subtraction, please. Ago means subtraction. We are going to use these terms in our word problem. And this is times. This one doesn't have this one have x. This one doesn't mean addition, it means multiplication. Times. So differences mean subtraction, or we can call it differ. This is sum mean addition. These are the things you need to know in our word problem. And more things you're supposed to know is when you have two things to consider, you have to consider the lesser thing before the other thing. For example, if I say my brother is 2 years, how old am I? That means I'm connected to my brother. You suppose my younger brother is lesser than me. Consider my younger brother before my age, because I'm dependent on my younger brother's age. Don't worry, you will see what I'm going to say. I'm saying my previous in my video that I'm going to do for you. So the first question I'm going to use to start this topic today is this: find two numbers whose difference is 5. Find two numbers whose difference is 5. Whose product is now 266. The first thing you should know is that we don't know the number. I don't know the number. You let the number to be any other time you want. So solution. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. This number that we are even saying, let it be x. That's it. So if it is x, I see the number is differ by what? 5. The next one, I should add 5 for you now, so that the difference will be 5. So the second number is x again. Add 5 to it because you say they are differ by 5. Which means if this one is x plus 5, the next one is also what? S. Because if you try s plus 5 minus s plus 5 minus s, you have 5 because this difference is 5 now. So if I say it's differ by 3, which means the next one should be s plus 3. You are done with this. And if I say what? Whose product is what? 266. Which if I multiply these two numbers together, the product is 266. S, open bracket, s plus 5 is equals to 266. This is what I need. As you can see, it has changed to quadratic equation. So s times s, we have s squared, plus s times 5, we have 5s, is equals to 266. And we know that every quadratic equation must be equal to 0. We have to take these 266 to the other side. We have s squared plus what? 5x minus 266 is equal to 0. It has changed to quadratic equation. This is where we now state, okay, what are we going to do? Are we going to use general formula method? Are we going to use complete square method? You can choose any one you want. My favorite one is factorization, but I want to just use general formula in case of those that still struggle to solve general formula method. And the general formula method is x is equals to minus b positive negative the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. This is the general formula method. And my a, coefficient here is 1, a is equal to 1, b is equals to, I always consider the sign here, this plus this 5, c is equals to minus, this minus a, minus 266. So we impute a, b, c into our what? Our formula. So allow me to clean this one and take note of it, it's very, very compulsory. So now, we impute it into this formula. We have s is equals to minus, what is my b? B is 5. Positive, negative, the square root of b squared, b is equal to 5 squared minus open bracket 4 times a is 1 times c is minus 266 close bracket all over 2 times a is 1. We now have s equals to minus 5 positive, negative, the square root of 5 squared, 5 times 1 is 25 minus times minus is plus 4 times 266, 4 times 266, we have 1064 all over 2 times 1 2. We now have s is equals to minus 5 positive, negative, the square root of, by the time we add this, we have 1089. So if you do this, minus 5 positive, negative, the square root of 1089 is 33. Before that, all over 2. We have s equals to minus 5 positive, negative, 33 all over 2. We now have s equals to minus 5. We pick the first sign here, plus 33 all over 2. Or minus 5 minus 33 all over 2. So with this, let me continue from here. So we now have x is equal to minus 5 plus 33. We have 28 all over 2, or minus 5 is minus 38 all over 2. S equals to 14 or minus 19. So this is the values that can, or if you multiply, you have minus 266. This is the answer to the question. Please do wait to subscribe to this channel. It's very, very important. Share and comment. And please comment to this the comment section. And next video, I'm going to give you a question to solve. Thank you and peace out. Bye.